Welcome everyone. In this video, we will discuss about amino acid and its different structure and properties in brief. So let's start it. Amino acid is a organic compound that contain both amino and carboxylic acid as functional group. Both the group are attached to the carbon alpha of the amino acid. If we look at the general structure of amino acid, the carboxylic group is bonded to carbon alpha, while amino group is also bonded to the carbon alpha, and there is one hydrogen molecule bonded with carbon alpha, and also the R group which is bonded to the carbon alpha. This R is a side chain. Generally, here at this place, a different molecule can replace this and form a different structure of standard amino acids, which generally codes for proteins. More than 500 amino acids exist in the nature, but only 22 amino acids incorporates in the protein formation, and those amino acids are known as the standard amino acids. Let's see the properties of amino acid. If we talk about the properties of amino acid, the first is that it acts as amphoteric. Amphoteric means that the amino acid will act as both acid and base in nature. The second property is of amino acid is that it is amphiprotic, means it will act as both proton donor and acceptor. The third property of amino acids are that they are generally optically active, means that can rotate uh, in the polarized light, except the glycine molecule. Glycine molecule are optically inactive because they are in symmetrical structure, and generally they won't form a different images. Like if we talk about glycine, glycine won't form a superimposable image. So it glycine is able to form a superimposable image, so that's why it is not optically active. And all amino acids are chiral molecule except glycine, because glycine is not able to form a superimposable image. I'm sorry, glycine is able to form a superimposable image. That's why it is a chiral molecule. And those are the chiral molecules which rotate in the right side, uh, are called as dextrorotatory, while those rotate at the left side are known as levorotatory. If we talk about the effect of pH on amino acid, so at the low pH, amino acids are acidic in nature. At intermediate pH, amino acids are neutral in nature, while at high pH, amino acids are basic in nature. At low pH, both carboxylic group and amino group are protonated, as you see here that on carboxylic acid also the H group is present, means it's a protonated group, while amino group is also protonated. So the overall charge on the amino acid at low pH is positive, while at intermediate pH the carboxylic group is deprotonated and amino group is protonated. So it generally forms the deuter ionic ion. It's also called as deuter ion, means double ions are present, both negative and positive charges present on the group. While at high pH, the Carboxylic group is deprotonated and amino group is also deprotonated. So they generally have overall charge negative on amino acid. If we talk about the amino acids are of different types, standard amino acid and non-standard amino acid. The standard amino acids are those which generally incorporated into proteins, and there are only 22 standard amino acids, while non-standard amino acids are present inside cell but not incorporated into the proteins, so they are called as non-standard amino acid. That standard amino acid will further divided and form non-polar side chain amino acid, means those amino acid which have non-polar side chain, while polar side chain amino acid which have the polar side chain at the place of R, and that polar side chain will be further divided on basis of uncharged and charged. We will discuss about this in next video. You will get in the amino acid part 2. So hope you all like this video.